Hey, Winston, how are you, buddy? Where's Luke? She climbs trees. Brittany's just informed me that this tree is easy to climb, so the challenge has been set.
You turn the camera on.
I'm not recording. Okay, I'll hold your fly swat, mate.
I got legs, mate.
It's a good start. Oh, I don't know if that's a good option, champ. Oh. Oh, hello little one. How are you? Cody Park, and good morning.
Good morning.
It's Tuesday. I'm back. Brit's super excited about that. It's a little bit warmer today, so lots of water stuff, and yeah, into the action. Huzzah! Good job! Hello, buddy. Miss Jasmine, what are you doing? You just taking it all in? Taking it all in. Okay, I'll hold your fly swat, mate.
I got legs, mate.
It's a good start. Oh, I don't know if that's a good option, champ. Oh, oh my goodness. I'm worried.
Okay, now I'm lost.
No, you're in the tree still. You can't be lost. Go, Loopy. Chase her. Go, wee. Oh, Winston's had a go.
Hey, what are you doing?
What is it, Jimmy? Loopy! What a weapon.
Sorry. No.
Good girl, babe. Cody Pup. Good girl, Loops. I told you she was good.
No, that's scary.
Good girl, Loopy.
Do you reckon I could jump without breaking the leg?
Oh, please don't jump. Just slide down or just come down nicely. Alright, that time of the day where Brittany has gone to put out the treasures, all the pups. Are super excited, they know what's going on. It's treasure hunt time. You! Treasure hunt time! fun little motorbike ride. Obviously we don't go too crazy. Starting to heat up a little bit temperature wise. So we do a little lap around, let them all have a nice run alongside the bikes, and then come down to the dam, have a nice little cool off. Hey buddy, hey dogs, what do you think, Will? Big Willie, dogs. Oh hello, Jump. Oh my goodness, he literally like fell over. You're a funny boy. Hey, we're gonna have to dust you off before we go in the pool. Covered in sand, mate. Covered in sand. Yeah.
Cody down at the tree. Oh, he was looking up the tree.
Oh, what a good boy, Steve! That's amazing, buddy! Good boy! Good boy, mate! Good swimming, Steve! Good boy! Good boy! What a good boy, mate! Oh, good boy, Taylor! There you go. Hello! Swim! Swim, little girl! Yeah, the back end's like, oh, there you go.
Cold too.
End of the day, Brittany.
End of the day.
Tuesday, done and dusted. I literally forgot what day it was. One good thing.
Spend lots of time in the pool.
Yes. It's starting to warm up, and yeah, lots more time in the pool, which is going to be fun.
Yeah.
But until then,
Toodaloo.
toodaloo. You did it! No, I don't. What did you say?
Like and subscribe.
Well done. Brit's onto it. You
have to say that. Stop my joke. I was like, say it.